when she was purchased by an East Tennessee theme park named Silver Dollar City. And it was there that she affectionately became known as Cinderella. And look up to the engine there, wave at our engineer Julie there. Hey Julie! She's driving with her feet again. Julie, get your hand on that throttle, girl. All right, there she goes. So Cinderella continues her tradition of hard work from Silver Dollar City to present-day Dollywood, entertaining tens of thousands of people every year. Now we here at Dollywood, we are proud of our engines, so proud we want to show them off to you. So what do you say? Would you like to hear Engineer Julie play a little tune on the Baldwin locomotive whistle? All right then, on the count of 3, let's tell her to blow the whistle. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, blow the whistle! Give her a big hand, y'all. Give her a big hand. And that was Julie and Cinderella saying thank you very much. Well, you might have noticed those 3 turkeys out there in that tall grass pecking around. Well, they're not real. They're totally animatronic, just like Benjamin Bear. He's not real either, so they just look very real. Just kidding, y'all. They were real. At the dawn of the 20th century, there were over 1,200 little small farms dotted all about the mountains and hills here of East Tennessee, much like the example we're going to see here coming up on the left-hand side. They consisted of the main house where the family lived. You had the smokehouse where they hung and cured those good tasting meats. Then you had the chicken house where they gathered the eggs. And if you look in the doorway there, you'll see Miss Henrietta the chicken looking back at you. Good afternoon, Miss Henrietta. And then they had the spring house where they kept the milk and the butter cool. Hey kids, that was the days before the refrigerator and the freezer. Oh, and they also had a very important house. They had the outhouse. Now kids, if you don't know what the outhouse is used for, you might want to ask your parents. And if they seem a bit puzzled about it, ask your grandparents. I'm sure they've used one a time or two in their lives.